There's something powerful about a confident smile. It's not just about appearances, it's about how you feel when you know your teeth are clean, strong, and shining bright. But for millions of people, that confident smile feels out of reach. Traditional whitening kits can burn, sting, or leave your teeth screaming with sensitivity. Trips to the dentist, expensive, inconvenient, and not always effective. Strips and trays, they often do more harm than good. But imagine if there was a way to whiten your teeth gently, repair your enamel, and keep your breath fresh all day without peroxide, without pain, and without breaking the bank. That's exactly what Purely White Deluxe delivers. It's not just another whiten gimmick, it's a product backed by decades of dental research, NASA-grade science, and results that speak for themselves. Whether you've been hiding your smile or just want to level up your oral care routine, Purely White Deluxe makes it easier, faster, and safer to smile bright again. This is not a trend, it's a revolution in oral care. Let's break it down. What is Purely White Deluxe? Purely White Deluxe is a revolutionary teeth whitening powder that does far more than just remove stains. It whitens your teeth, repairs damaged enamel, and keeps your breath fresh, all in one. Designed by dentists and trusted by over 1 million happy customers, this formula skips the painful peroxide and replaces it with a blend of 3 powerful, clinically proven ingredients: PAP+, Hydroxyapatite, and CPC. These ingredients work together to lift stains from the deepest layers of your teeth, rebuild and remineralize enamel, and eliminate bad breath bacteria at the source. And the best part, it takes only 1-2 minutes a day with no extra steps, strips, trays, or gadgets. Just a simple brushing routine that fits into your everyday life. How does Purely White Deluxe work? Unlike most whiteners that rely on peroxide, a harsh chemical that can damage enamel and trigger intense sensitivity, Purely White Deluxe takes a smarter route. The magic starts with PP+, a peroxide alternative that's been used in Japan for over 40 years. It works by breaking down pigments that cause yellowing and discoloration in the tooth enamel without the side effects of burning or irritation. Then comes hydroxyapatite, a compound originally developed by NASA to help astronauts maintain strong teeth in zero gravity. It mimics the mineral structure of your enamel, bonding with microscopic cracks and weak spots to literally rebuild your tooth surface. As you brush, it seals over vulnerable areas, strengthens the enamel, and reduces tooth sensitivity naturally. Finally, CPC cetylpyridinium chloride acts like a long-lasting, alcohol-free mouthwash built into the powder. It kills bad bacteria, freshens breath, and keeps your mouth clean all day long without dryness or stinging. Together, these 3 ingredients form a triple-action formula that whitens, heals, and protects. It's powerful but gentle, scientific but simple. Features and benefits of Purely White Deluxe. Purely White Deluxe isn't just whitening, it's complete oral care in a simple routine. At the heart of the formula are the 3 core ingredients that work in unison to give you more than just a pretty smile. You get protection, repair, freshness, and confidence, all packed into one tiny jar of powder. Let's start with what sets it apart: PAP+. Most whitening products rely on hydrogen peroxide, which works fast but burns deep. P+ does the opposite. It breaks down stubborn stains from coffee, wine, or tobacco without eating away your enamel. No pain, no inflammation, no long-term damage. Just real, visible whitening. Next is hydroxyapatite, a substance your teeth are literally made of. While fluoride is often used in toothpaste to help strengthen enamel, hydroxyapatite goes deeper. It fills in the microscopic holes and cracks caused by wear and tear, sugar, and acid. This mineral doesn't just coat your teeth, it bonds with them. Over time, your teeth feel less sensitive, smoother, and more resilient. Then comes CPC, the freshness powerhouse. It kills bacteria that hide in gum lines and tongue surfaces, the kind that mouthwash only temporarily masks. With CPC, bad breath is addressed at the root. You brush in the morning, and your breath stays fresh long into the afternoon, even if you've had lunch or coffee. Together, these 3 ingredients build a complete routine: whitening, enamel repair, and breath protection. That's why millions are switching to Purely White Deluxe, not for what it removes, but for what it restores. How to use Purely White Deluxe. If you can brush your teeth, you can use this product. There are no LED lights to charge, no trays to fit, and no strips to peel and stay. Step 1, take your dry toothbrush and dip it lightly into the powder. You don't need a lot, a little goes a long way. Step 2, brush as you normally would. Circular motions, gentle pressure, nothing fancy. The powder begins to foam slightly, releasing the whitening and remineralizing agents across your teeth. Step 3, rinse and smile. That's it. 2 minutes a day, and your teeth are not just cleaner, they're visibly whiter, stronger, and fresher. Most people begin to see a change in as little as 3 uses, and after 2 weeks, the transformation can be dramatic. You don't need to set a timer or follow a complicated set of steps. You don't even need to change your daily routine. Just brush morning and night, as you always have, and let the formula do the work. Mighties pros and cons. Let's keep it real. No product is perfect for everyone, but Purely White Deluxe checks a lot of boxes. And most importantly, it avoids the pitfalls that plague traditional whitening methods. The pros: it whitens without pain. That's huge. People with sensitive teeth finally have a solution that doesn't punish them for wanting a whiter smile. It strengthens enamel with hydroxyapatite, giving your teeth a protective barrier. It kills bad breath bacteria at the source with CPC. No alcohol burn or dry mouth afterward. It's incredibly easy to use. No LED light, no trays, no extra effort. Just dip, brush. And most of all, it's safe to use every single day. You don't need to worry about overdoing it. The cons: if you're used to a minty blast or intense foaming like some big brand toothpaste, Purely White Deluxe might feel subtle at first. It doesn't rely on synthetic flavors or fillers. It's clean and clinical by design. Also, since it's powder-based, some users might take a few days to adjust from the regular toothpaste feel, but once you do, it's hard to go back. Price and where to buy. Let's talk value. Most whitening products either cost a fortune at the dentist's office or come with a recurring subscription full of strips and gels. Purely White Deluxe delivers better results for less. Here's what you get. Buy 1 jar, $299, 50% off from buy 2, get 1 free. Buy 3, get 2 free, $89.99 total. The best deal with the biggest savings and free shipping. No hidden fees, no subscriptions, and every purchase is backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. That's right. If you're not satisfied for any reason at all, you get your money back. No questions asked. You can purchase directly from the official website, where you'll also find access to discounts, limited time offers, and full customer support. Plus, they ship worldwide with free shipping inside the USA. Conclusion: a bright smile changes everything. It lifts your mood, raises your confidence, and makes people remember you. But for far too long, getting that white smile meant pain, sensitivity, and expensive treatments. That ends now. Purely White Deluxe is a total game changer. It gives you the smile you want without the suffering you hate. In just 2 minutes a day, you get teeth that are stronger, breath that's fresher, and a smile that's visibly brighter. Backed by science, approved by dentists, trusted by over 1 million users worldwide. This isn't just a product, it's your new daily ritual. And once you start, you'll wonder why you ever used anything else. If you're ready to take control of your smile, if you're tired of hiding your teeth in photos, if you want a solution that finally works, then now is the time to try Purely White Deluxe. Click the link below, grab your bundle, and get ready to smile wide. You're about to fall in love with your smile again.